Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Avatar Frontiers of Pandora from the ashes not launching on PC quickly and easily.
Fix 1. Update GPU driver and Windows Step 1. Update NVIDIA AMD Intel Graphics driver Step 2. Open Windows Settings, Windows Update. Check for updates Step 3. Restart PC Fix 2. Run game as administrator Step 1. Right, click the game shortcut or X Step 2. Click Properties Compatibility Step 3. Enable Run as administrator Apply, Launch. Fix 3. Verify game files Step 1. Open Ubisoft Connect or Epic Games Step 2. Go to Library Avatar. Frontiers of Pandora Step 3. Click Verify Repair Files Fix 4. Disable Overlays Step 1. Disable Ubisoft in Game Overlays Step 2. Turn off Discord Overlays Step 3. Disable NVIDIA GeForce Xbox Game Bar Overlays. Fix 5. Disable antivirus temporarily Step 1. Turn off antivirus and firewall Step 2. Launch the game Step 3. If it works, add the game to exclusions Fix 6. Change display mode Step 1. Go to C, /users, /yourname, /appdata, /local, /prospect, /saved, /config, /window editor Step 2. Open game user settings. INI Step 3. Set full screen to windowed, save, launch.